Ne me parle play, okay? Oh my god. World. Hey guys, welcome back again. Welcome back to our live trading session here on YouTube. If this is your first time joining, it's great to have you here. What I do here is analyze the Forex and cryptocurrency market and also do take some live trades. If I see a good trading opportunity, I'll take it here live on YouTube and on TikTok. Let's get the likes up. If you're just joining, welcome. I was having some technical issues earlier, but I was able to resolve it, so I think now we're good. Let's get the likes up. I'm going to just share this live on the Telegram group. Okay. Joining, welcome. I was having some technical issues earlier, but I was able to resolve it, so I think now we're good. Let's get the likes up. I'm going to just share this live on the Telegram group. Okay. So let's get the likes up, guys. Hit the thumbs up button. Okay, I'm also gonna go live on TikTok, so just bear with me here. And if this live ends, because I don't know, for some reason, the streaming platform that I'm using is acting up. So if for whatever reason the live ends, just go to my TikTok. Okay, go to my TikTok because I'm gonna go live there right now. All right, so okay. So let me go live on TikTok here. All right, so live. Okay, let's get the likes up, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're just joining the live, you're welcome. It's great to have you guys here. I hope you guys can hear me. Let's get the likes up, guys. Please give this video, hit that thumbs up button. Alright, let me share the live. Okay. So now I'm also live on TikTok. You guys can go and join there as well. Okay. So welcome back, guys, to another live. I hope everybody's doing great. We're back here live to analyze and trade the Forex market. Let's get the likes up. Double tap on your screen. Let's get the likes up to let's get the likes up to 5,000. Okay, we're just getting started. If you're new here, it's great to have you. What I do here is analyze the Forex and the cryptocurrency market, and also do take some live trades if I see a good trading opportunity. This is a great place to learn. If you're a beginner, you can learn more about how to analyze the market and everything. So make sure you follow me. Okay, follow my TikTok account if you want to learn more completely for free. Follow my TikTok account and join my Telegram group to get more information. I also do share some signals on my Telegram group. You can join it to take advantage of that. So we're gonna get started. I'm starting a little bit late. Normally I come live at 10 p.m. Eastern time, but today I wasn't able to come on time because I was experiencing some technical issues. So that kind of delayed me from coming live. But now everything's good. So I'm gonna be live for like an hour or so. Okay. Usually I come live Monday through Friday from 10 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, until I stay live for like two hours. So from 10 until 12 a.m. Eastern time. So let's get the likes up, guys. Double tap. Thank you to everybody who's tapping. Let's get the likes to 5,000, and make sure you also share the live. Okay, share the live with as many people as you can, guys. And let's get started. Actually, because of time, I'm actually going to just jump right into the analyzing and all that, because we literally don't have time. Also don't want to miss any trading opportunities. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start by analyzing gold, and then after that we'll look at GOLD and so on. Okay. All right, so I hope everybody can see my screen. Let's start off by analyzing gold. So gold right now, currently it's been pumping really like high. Okay, it's been going crazy over the last week or so. We see that gold is in a very strong uptrend. So let's just analyze it by starting here. Okay, let's just go to the daily time frame. Okay, I hope everybody can see my chart. So this is the daily time frame here. Okay, so on the daily time frame, this is where gold is. Okay, this is where it is right now, 26.86. And at this point right now, we can see that it is approaching a resistance. We have a very strong resistance on the daily time frame at 2709. Oh, thank you for the roses, by the way. Thank you so much. So we have a very strong resistance at 2709, 2710 there on the daily time frame. Okay, so once gold breaks this resistance, it's going to be able to fly higher, back to the all-time high. However, if it gets rejected at around 2710 here, this is going to cause the market to reverse. Okay, so we could look for potential sell at around that area. Okay, currently that is, yeah, a strong resistance there. So this is gold on the daily time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, let's straight up go to the 1 hour here and see what has been going on. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, we can see this really nice uptrend that the market has been in. So currently this is where the price is. It's currently forming a new high on the 1 hour time frame after having um, broken this resistance here, 2673. Okay, so 2673 was the previous high for the past couple hours here. We can see gold move sideways here, and then after that it has broken it, and because of that it's now being able to go high. Okay, so in this uptrend currently, this is now the best area for us to look for potential buys. Okay, in the long term, we would want to see the price come back to around 2673, do a retest there, and then we can look for a buy. Okay, so that's like 2673. So between 2673, 2667 there, that would be a good area to look for a buy. And then our stop loss should be below 2659. Okay, because that's the low gold will have to hold in order for the market, to continue this uptrend that it is currently in on the 1 hour time frame. So let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. As you guys are listening, okay, I see someone spamming more Dama. If you can please type in that comment. I'm not sure why you're doing that, but please stop spamming this live. Okay, if you don't, I will have to remove you from the live. So yeah, so that's basically what's happening in gold right now. It is at a resistance, and there's a possibility we can look for a sell right here. Okay, 2688. This is a very strong resistance from the past here. You can see here that is a strong resistance, 2687. So price got there, and this is what we saw, like a little bit of a pullback at that area. So gold is returning back to that area. We could look for a sell there. Yeah, we can look for a sell there. I'm gonna go to the lower time frame to see if there's any other rejection. We already got the first rejection, and now the price is returning back to that resistance. So if it gets rejected there again, we can look for a sell. Okay, so let me head back. Let's go, let's check here 15. So you can see here the price got rejected. Now it's coming back here. So if it gets rejected here again, we can look for a sell. Okay, so I marked out, let me just put a line here. This is our current resistance here on the daily time frame. Okay, so this is currently the best area for us to look for a sell in the short term. Okay, so the price is returning here. If it gets rejected to approximately 2690, if it gets rejected there again, then we'll look for sell. Okay, and then in terms of buying, as of right now, we have this support here. Okay, this is temporary. Yeah, this is a support. Price is currently building. So if it returns back to this area again, this could be an area to look for buy as well. So this is between 2680 and 2681. Once the price returns there and holds that support, this would be a good area for us to look for a buy. Okay, so I'm gonna just mark this here on the chart. And thank you for those who are tapping, guys. Please, let's tap on our screen. Let's get the likes up. Let's get the likes up, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, so I will, yeah. Okay, so we want to buy around 2681, 2680, and we want to sell around 2690, 2689. Okay, so that is it, y'all. This is basically it. So let's wait for the market to get to that resistance, and then we'll see how that goes. Okay, so we will wait as gold is making its way to that resistance. We'll wait, and then we'll analyze something else in the meantime. Let's keep tapping on our screen. Welcome back to everybody who's just joining. It's great to have you guys here. What I'm currently doing is analyzing gold, and this is what I do whenever I come live here. I analyze the forex market. Okay, the pairs that I tend to analyze is gold, GBP/USD, Bitcoin, and Euro, CAD, JPY. Okay, those are the kind of pairs that I analyze, and I do take trades on them if there's a good trading opportunity. Right now, I'm looking for a sell for gold at around 26.90, 26.89. Okay, and then for a buy, I will look to buy gold around 26.81, 26.80. Okay, and yeah, so and this trade I will be taking it on aparo.com. This is one of the best trading platforms that I use and recommend. They have a very low spread and zero commission. So this is gonna it's a it's a benefit to allow you to save money on trading fees. So make sure you sign up with aparo.com. There's a link in my bio there. You'll see it that says recommended broker number 1. Make sure you sign up, use that link in my bio so you can receive some bonuses. And just to let you guys know, the registration for January 2025 class is now open. If you're interested in learning how to trade, you want to learn exactly how to analyze the market, you want to learn about my scalping strategy that is highly effective, make sure you sign up for the January class. There's a link in my bio that says trading class. Go on there, fill in the form with your information, and then I'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so let's analyze GBP/USD next. So I'm done with gold for now. Gold is it's not at the area where we want to buy or sell, so we can't take any trade for now. Okay, so for now, let's go and analyze GBP/USD. Hey, Monsieur Zedek, sorry, your name is so hard to pronounce. Okay, let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes up to 10,000. Double tap. Double tap on your screen, guys. Let's get the likes up to 10,000. Okay, so let me analyze GBP/USD next. I'm going to just delete all of this. Okay, so let's start from scratch. Okay, so this is GBP/USD. Okay, so this is the price right now. You can see we have a low here that the price has formed. So let me just mark it here. Okay, so this is the current low in the market here for GBP/USD. Okay, so this is our low, and then the highest it has gone to so far on the daily time frame is right here. Okay, so this is our resistance. Okay, now this pair here, GBP/USD, is currently in a downtrend. Okay, market here is currently in a downtrend. Okay, so for now, because it's in a downtrend, of course we want to look, the best trades to be taking is a sell. Okay, and we want to sell at resistance. So right now we have this support here, this low, okay, that the price formed it, pushed up to 2704, and then now it came back here. So this low here is a good area to look for buys if we get a daily candle to close bullish at that support. Okay, so this current daily candle, if it closes bullish, this is going to be a good area to look for potential buy on the daily time frame, and then area to look for a sell would be up here. Okay, so 2710 would be a good area to look for a sell on GPPUSD when the price comes there. Okay, good morning to everybody who's just joining. Okay, so yeah, so that's basically it on the daily time frame. Yeah, not much is going on here. This support here, the daily candle here is, it looks like it broke it, but let's see how the next one is going to look like. Okay, the next daily candle is going to determine whether that breakout was a real breakout or not. Okay, if it's a real breakout, then the next area where GBP USD is going to go to is the support down here. So down here, let me just mark this. Okay, so next support is sitting down at 2446. 2446 would be like the next best area to look for buy. If we lose this current support here that we're sitting at 2603, the next area for us to actually look for buy would be at 2452, around there. Now I'm going to analyze GPUSD on the 1 hour just so we can see, can have an idea of what's going on. So here. Can you analyze euro? Yeah, I will analyze euro as well. Hopefully there's enough time. I will analyze it. So let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. If you're just joining the live, welcome. It's great to have you here. What I'm doing here is analyzing GBPUSD. So far I've analyzed gold, and now I'm analyzing GBPUSD. This is what I do on my live every single time I come live. You can follow me on TikTok and join my free Telegram group to get more information for free and more trading signals. Link to my Telegram group is in my bio. Make sure you join it. This is where I keep you guys updated on everything. Okay, so join it. Link is in the bio. So yeah, so this is GBPUSD right now. Now let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see what's going on. Okay, so the 1 hour time frame, we can now look for quick trades and all that. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame here, we can see the price is even showing a small bearish. Yeah, the price is not looking very, it's not looking very well on this 1 hour time frame. Okay, initially the price stopped here, and then we got this. Okay, and it looks like this low here that the price formed is failing. So this low is failing, so let me just mark it here. Okay, so we have this low here that the market has formed, and this could be an area where it could actually, if it holds it, it can bounce up. And right now it looks like, you know, it tried to hold it here, but it's now reversing. So if it breaks below this low, then it's going to sell off. Okay, it's going to sell off all the way down to this zone here, this next zone. Okay, So this is where it's going to sell off. So let's see how the market closes. If we get a 1 hour candle close below 25.73, that's not going to be a good sign. Okay, it's not going to be a good sign the price will sell off. However, if we get a bullish 1 hour candle at this support, then this is going to push the price back up. Okay, so let's see how the market goes here. Let's keep tapping. Emotional is bleeding me. Yeah, so I'm going to check the 15 minutes. Let's see the 15-minute time frame, see what the price is doing. Okay, so on the 15 minutes, we have this bearish structure that's currently going on. Okay, so lower lows and lower highs the price is currently forming. And yeah, so on this 15-minute time frame, we're bearish. So for now, I would say just wait for the 1 hour candle. This is what I will look for. Once I see that bullish 1 hour candle closing at this support, this is when I'm gonna buy. Okay, so I already entered a buy earlier. Okay, with the stop loss below 25.74. So currently this buy is not going so well, but we'll see. If we close bullish, then I'll open another buy, but for now I'll just have one position open. Okay, so that's GBP USD. If you're trying to buy it, I would say just wait. Okay, just wait for the current 1 hour to close. If it closes bullish, then you can look to enter a buy. But for now, if you're not in a buy yet, just don't enter a buy yet. Okay, so just wait. It's best to wait. So let me go back to the 1 hour. So on this 1 hour time frame, we can see we have resistance. Currently there's this resistance here at 26.005. Okay, so that would be basically the level that GBP USD will need to break for us to actually start moving higher. So if you're trying to look, if we want the price to go all the way up here to 26.53, we need the price to break above 26.06. Okay, so if we get an hourly candle closing above this area, then we can even add more positions to our buy. Okay, so if you want, the best chance of success of buying is when we break above this resistance 26.06. If we break above that, then you can actually enter a buy, and then this one, for sure the price is going to go all the way up here. But for now, it's a bit too risky, so just hold up on that. Okay, let's keep tapping on the screen, guys. Good morning, Gabriel. So for those who are just joining the live, so far we have not taken any trade. Still waiting on a trade for gold. I'm looking at selling gold at around 26.90, 26.89, waiting for the price, patiently waiting for the price to get to that resistance. Okay, so this is where we want to look to sell. Yeah, so this is where we want to look to sell gold at this resistance here. So price is not there yet, so we will just wait. And then where we want to buy gold is down here, 26.80, 26.81. This is where we're going to buy gold. Okay, so the price is neither at that resistance or support, so we can't really enter trade right now. It's just in the middle. All right, so let's analyze the Euro USD next. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes up to 20,000. You guys have already helped me get to 11,000, which is great, so thank you so much. Let us get the likes to 20,000, guys. Okay, so Euro USD, as always, I will start with the daily time frame. Okay, let me delete all this. These are all okay. So deleting this alert. Okay. So Euro USD is currently in a downtrend. Okay, currently in a downtrend right now, and it just has the same pattern as GPUSD. Here you can see they pretty much move in similar ways. Okay, they move in similar ways here. As you can see, we have resistance just like in your GPUSD. It's the same thing here, resistance, and then the daily time frame looks like it broke that resistance here. So if that's a real breakout, then the price should be heading to the next support, which which is it broke the support. Okay, so if that's a real breakout here, the next support is down over here. So this is where Euro USD is gonna go next. Let's see. Yeah. So this is the 1 hour time frame here. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, what time frame do you use? I start my analysis with a daily time frame, and then after that I go down to the 1 hour. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, we are in a downtrend here, and we have resistance right here. Okay, strong resistance at 0509. Okay, this is for GBPUSD. This is where we want to enter a sell. Okay, we want to enter a sell when the price pulls back to 0509. This would be the best area to look for a sell. Okay, you don't want to sell at this area just because you're selling at the bottom, which is not good. So it will be best to wait for the price to come back up to 0509, and then once you get the rejection on the 1 hour time frame at this resistance, then you can enter a sell. Okay, and for buy, well, currently the price is currently at this support. The same thing with the same way, the same support that we have with GPUSD is the same thing that we're seeing here. So this is currently the area to look for a buy, and so far it looks like the support is holding. Okay, so this is the best area to place a buy, and then your stop loss should be below 0459. Okay, so 0459 will be where your stop loss should be, and then you can target this previous higher to take profit number 1. Okay, so that's at 0487, and then the second take profit could be at that resistance here, because once the price break above 0489, it's now going to be able to head over to 0509. Okay, so that will be the best area. Yeah, to set your second take profit. So Euro USD is looking like a buy. Okay, so far it's holding the support, so you can take a buy here for Euro USD, and stop loss below 0460. Okay, which currency is that? This is euro, the euro. Oh, if you're just joining the live here, welcome. It's great to have you here. What I'm analyzing right now is Euro USD. Okay, I'm analyzing Euro USD, and this is what I do whenever I come live on TikTok. I analyze it and also do take live trades if I see a good trading opportunity. This is a great place for beginners to learn how to analyze the market and everything. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and join my Telegram group so you can get more information and more signals for free. Link is in the bio. Okay, link is in the bio. So far, we haven't taken any trades yet. Okay, we've analyzed GBP/USD, Euro, and gold, and none of them are at an area where we can buy. Well, Euro is at an area where we can buy. Okay, but the trade that I'm actually looking at taking is on gold. Okay, because I don't like to take trades on every pairs that I analyze here. I will just tell you guys what the pair is about to do, but I will only trade one or two pairs on this live. Okay, and the main pair that I trade is gold. So gold is not at an area where I want to buy it, so I'm not going to enter a trade. Okay, you talk about BTC yet? Not yet. I'm actually going to head over to Bitcoin soon. Okay, so let's head over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is next. So open it up here. 98,875. Wow. Bitcoin has been going crazy. Okay, this is something that I did not join this buy here on Bitcoin. Okay, unfortunately the price has just been making crazy moves, so I just stayed out of the market. Okay, I mainly just been, I will scalp it, but in terms of like entering long-term trades, the market never returned to the areas where I was looking for entry. So yeah, so right now Bitcoin is at 98,872. Wow, it's most likely heading to 100,000 very soon. I mean, it already went to 99,299. So 100,000 is definitely something that's gonna happen very soon here for the Bitcoin price. Okay, so on the daily time frame, here for Bitcoin, what we see, okay, we had this structure here or resistance, which price just broke above at 93,000. Okay, so 93,000 was the previous high, which Bitcoin just broke above. Okay, broke above that, and now it was able to push all the way to 99,000. Now, if we're trying to buy Bitcoin, we could look for a buy around 93,000. 93,400 when the price returns there, if it returns there. Okay, because the way it's moving, it might just keep going up higher and higher to form new support. But if it returns to 93,400 and 400, above, 440, okay, around here. So let's just say 93,400. If we return to this area, this is now the best area for us to look for a buy. Okay, so between 93,400 all the way down to 88,000, this is all good area to look for a buy for Bitcoin. Okay, so between 88,744 and 93,400. Okay, this is the best area to look for a buy for Bitcoin on this daily time frame. I'm gonna just delete this. for now. Okay, so yeah, so that's the daily time frame. And in terms of resistance, on the daily there is no resistance. Bitcoin is currently forming a new high. It has not yet gotten rejected at the current price level, so we technically don't have any resistance yet on the daily time frame. Let's check out the 4 hour, same thing price. We can see that after it broke this resistance, so the 93,400 resistance, it then just started going higher and higher. Okay, we were getting minor pullbacks, but then the price just keeps pushing higher. Okay, so there's no signs that Bitcoin is giving us that it's about to head back down. So you can't even look for a sell yet. Okay, so can't look for a sell yet. Let's check the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame, same thing. What we see is that Bitcoin it's just been going higher and higher. Okay, so we're currently in this structure here. For the price to go down, we're trying to look for a sell for Bitcoin. Let me just mark this here. So we had this resistance which price just broke above, so this is our current low here. Okay, let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes to 20,000. Thank you to everybody who's tapping on the screen. I really appreciate it. Let's get the likes up. Make sure to join the Telegram group if you're not already in it. Okay, this is the place where you want to be in to learn more on trading. Yeah, so this is it right here. So we have this resistance which Bitcoin just broke above at 98,000. So 98,282. That's the resistance Bitcoin just broke above. Okay, so just broke above the resistance. Let me actually mark it down here. Okay, broke above that resistance. Now this is now our support right here that Bitcoin is going to try to hold. Okay, it's going to try to hold this support. And then if we're trying to buy Bitcoin, well, buying at this price level is very risky, but if you want to do it, you just make sure you have a very tight stop loss. Okay, so for now Bitcoin could retrace back down to 97. Okay, so it could retrace back down to 97,500, 98,300. This is now like the best area. If you're trying to buy Bitcoin, I would wait for the market to retreat back to this level for me to enter a buy. Okay, so 98,300 and 97,582. This is the area where we want to look for buy. If we return here, we can look for buy here. Okay, if that holds, and then yeah, for the market to enter a sell, okay, we have to break this current support. If we break the support here, this is our current low here, 95,683. If we break below this, then this is going to be a sell. But for now, you don't want to sell. Okay, Bitcoin is, there's literally no signs to be selling Bitcoin right now, so don't even attempt it. You will get wrecked. Don't be trying to guess where Bitcoin is about to reverse. Based on the market structure right now, it's just showing signs that it's going to keep going higher and higher. So the best trades to be taking right now is a buy. Okay, and the best area to buy Bitcoin as of right now, we have support at 98,350 and 97,500. This is the current support, and this is where you want to be buying Bitcoin. Okay, but for now, you don't want to buy Bitcoin right now. It's making a new high, and this is a horrible place to be buying. Okay, let's keep tapping on our screen. Double tap on the screen. What do you think of XRP? I don't know. We can look at the chart, but okay. So yeah, so for Bitcoin, the market is not an area where I would love to buy, okay, or sell. So for Bitcoin right now, I'm gonna stay out of it. There's no trading opportunity. Still waiting on gold. Gold is not. I'm looking at gold right now. Let me go back to the chart. Okay, so let's go back to the 5 minutes here. This is gold on the 5 minutes. I'm still waiting for the price to return to the resistance here, 2690, 2689. This is actually where I want to look to sell gold. Okay, this is the next best area to sell gold. Price is not there yet, so I can enter a sell. And then for buy, I want to buy gold around 2681, 2680. This is where I would look to enter a buy for gold. Price is not there yet. It's sort of trying to get there. It dropped to 2683, but then now it bounced up. So I'm still not gonna buy. I'll just wait for the price to either come down to 2681, 2680, then I'll buy. And then for sale, I want to see the price get to 2690, 2689, and then I can look for a sale. Okay, so that's gold. And yeah, I've already analyzed it. Okay, in the long term, we know that gold is currently bullish. Okay, it is currently bullish here in the long term. Okay, based on this 1 hour time frame, we can see that gold um, it just broke above 2673, which was our previous high here on the 1 hour time frame. So this is not the best area to look for buy. Okay, for gold in the long term, when the price comes back here, just know that this does not mean gold is about to crash heavily. Okay, because this is the current support. This has turned, it was resistance, but now it's going to turn into support. So when the price returns at 2673, you want to look for a buy. Okay, you look for a buy between 2673 and 2666. All right, the only time you want to sell, okay, where you can anticipate that gold is about to sell off massively, is once it breaks below 2660. That's the only time you can anticipate, okay, yeah, massive crash is coming. But until then, any sales that you take, make sure you don't target anything below 2660, because at that point, you know, you gotta be realistic. Okay, so now XRP, someone was asking about XRP, so let me just quickly check the chart for XRP. Let's see how it is. It is not a pair that I trade, so this is not XRP. No, I don't. Okay, so XRP USDT. Yeah, USDJPY. Okay. Okay. So XRP, it is $1.39. Okay, so that's the price here for XRP. It's extremely bullish. It's been bullish for the past. Wow. Okay, it's been bullish for the past couple of weeks. Now. Let's look at it on the monthly time frame first. Okay, because when it comes to crypto here is best. I think crypto is something that's best to invest in. Okay, let me not say that word because I know TikTok does not like it, but crypto is something that you want to like buy and hold for the long term. It's not, I don't think, with crypto, it's not something that I would like to trade. I just like to buy and hold it. The only crypto that I prefer trading is Bitcoin. Okay, but the others like altcoins and all that, I prefer just buying and hold it. So XRP, wow. On the monthly time frame, it looks like it is about to break a very major resistance, $1.49. I'm gonna buy myself some XRP, okay, because I haven't been keeping track of it. just because over the past couple of years, it's just been just like moving sideways, not really doing much. But now it looks like it's about to do something. So it might be good. It might be something good to actually buy. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get myself some XRP because right now it's still at a very good price, $1.40. This is still a very good price to get in. Once it breaks this resistance, only God knows where it can go. Okay, there's no other resistances along the way for XRP, so it could literally just fly at any price level. So yeah, so double now, hoping for 3, but this coin could fly to a lot more, I think, long term. Yeah, I've been hearing a lot of good things about this. So many people tell me that, you know, Elon Musk is planning things for this coin and, so many things. So I guess it's a good thing to add on your, you know, to add on your bag there, okay? It might be a good investment and all that to get into. So yeah, looking at the chart on the monthly time frame, there's a resistance at $1.51, which this is the current monthly time frame candle, right? This is the current monthly time frame candle, so it's there's a high chance it's going to be able to break this resistance just because it is a resistance that price already got rejected to in the past year. You can see. So usually when the price is returning back to a resistance like the third or fourth time, that is usually when it's going to break it. So that's why there's like a high chance it's going to be able to break that resistance. Okay, and then once it breaks that resistance, it's going to be able to fly higher to God knows where. Okay, so now let's look at where, if you're like trading it, if you're someone that's trading and all that. Well, I'm about to analyze it so I can tell you like where is the best area to like buy it and everything. Okay, so on the monthly time frame, we can see there is this resistance that it had at 75 cents. Okay, so 75 cents, that was the resistance, and then currently the monthly time frame candle here is breaking above that resistance, okay, which is great. All right, so if you want to look for buy, if you're like trading, your swing trade or whatever, the price returns at 73. This is another good area to buy. Okay, so 75. Okay, so 75, 76 cent. That would be a good area to look for a buy there if the price returns to it. Okay, and yeah, so let's go now on the daily time frame and see things a little bit more clear. So on the daily time frame, we can see the price is literally at that resistance. It's approaching it, just a few cents away from the resistance. Okay, yeah, so once it gets here, we're gonna see whether it's gonna get rejected or not. I don't think it's gonna get rejected. If we do, it might just get a small pullback. On the daily time frame here, we have support right over here. Okay, this entire zone right here is our current support on the daily time frame, which the price just broke above. Well, once this current daily candle closes above this resistance, then it's a breakout. Okay, so for now, yeah, can't count it, but for now, this is an area where the price is going to return to. Okay, so if you're trying to buy XRP, like you're trading it and all that, I would look for a buy around $1.26 and $1.16 there. This is now a good area that I would look to buy. Okay, right here, guys. Okay, so $1.16, $1.25. That would be a good area for the price to retrace back to for you to enter a buy. Okay, if you're trying to join the buy, where the price once it gets rejected here, it will most likely come back here before going back to reattempt to break that resistance. Okay, So this is where you want to look for buy. $1.16, $1.25, around there. And then currently we have this support at 99 cents. So 99.97, that is now the support that XRP is going to hold to keep pumping. If it breaks below 99.97, then of course we're coming back down to this support here on the monthly time frame. Okay, but for now, as long as it remains above 99.97, it will keep pushing up. Okay, so that's this very strong support on yeah. Okay, so finally gold is doing something, so I can see gold is getting to that resistance. So yeah, so let me check the 1 hour time frame lastly. Yeah, even on the 1 hour time frame, yeah, there's no other support other than the one all the way down at 26. So yeah, so XRP, if you're trying to buy it, you best wait for the price to come back down to 26. Okay, $1.26, $1.15. This is now the area you want to look to be buying. Okay, other than that, you stay out. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to gold. I'm done with XRP. Let's go back to gold here. They pay trading view every month. Yeah, I have a trading view membership, which allows me to it has a lot of benefits. I can set a lot of alerts. I can analyze multiple pairs at the same time. Yeah, so this is no, this is the wrong chart. Okay, so this chart is based on my scalping strategy. Okay, so gold back at the resistance. Let's see how the market reacts. So going back to the 15. Wow, it has broken. Oh, well, it has broken. So yeah, gold is I guess it's super bullish. So it has unfortunately didn't get rejected. It came to this resistance, and now yeah, 26.90. It's currently breaking above it. So yeah, that's unfortunate. So now let's see where it's heading next. Okay, so next resistance, I'm gonna have to just switch to the 1 hour time frame to see that. Okay, so we had this resistance at 26.90. Price is currently breaking above it. So okay, so now the next resistance we have for gold, now that we're currently breaking above 26.90, next resistance is at 27.03. Okay, so 27.03 here is our next resistance area to look for a sell. After that one, we finally have our last major resistance, 27.10. Okay, 27.10, that'll be like our last major resistance on the daily time frame. So yeah, this is extremely bullish. There's a chance it might never even return back to 26.73 here, which would have been the best area to look for a buy. It might not even return to that area. So if you're trying to join this buy here that gold is in, you would have to, like, it's very risky, where you have to scale down to smaller time frames like 15 minutes. Okay, so on this 15-minute time frame, okay, on this 15-minute time frame, We see that gold formed support right here at 2681. Okay, so 2681 here. Now this resistance at 2690, we have broken it on the lower time frame, but we haven't broken it completely on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so we need the price to break above this resistance on the 15-minute time frame as well. Okay, for us to now, once it breaks above this support, this resistance here 2690 on the 15, then we can now look to buy at the retest of that support, which is 2690. Okay, so that's where we're going to look to enter a buy at that retest. But if it gets rejected, okay, the candle or time frame that I'm looking at is either 10 minutes or 15 minutes rejection. Okay, so we can see we broke above it here on the 10 minute, but the current candle here, if it closes bearish, this is a rejection and I'm gonna enter a sell. Okay, this current 10 minutes candle closes bearish, then that's a rejection. It means that this breakout was false, so I'm gonna enter a sell once that happens, but for now I don't want to enter a sell. Okay, it's just too risky. My bad, I'm selling at 27.37. Very interesting. So 27.37. Yeah, so this is the previous low here. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, so there's about 10 minutes left for this candle close. I mean 5 minutes actually, yeah. 5 minutes. So let's see how that works. Okay, I'm still looking for a buy for gold down here. Even if we get rejected here, enter sell. I will look for buy at 2682, 2681, 2680. That's my next area for a buy for gold. Okay, so let's look at so far. Oh, you guys can see my chart. Oh, can you see it? Yeah, you can. Okay. How much do you pay trading view? So for the membership that I have, they have like 3 memberships. The one that I'm paying for is the basic membership, which is, how much is it again? It's I believe $30 Canadian. Yeah, $30 Canadian per month. Okay, NZUSD. Okay. So I'm looking at the New Zealand dollar. Since I got a request here, somebody in the comment section. Yeah, someone in the comment section here on TikTok requested for the New Zealand dollar US. So I'm gonna analyze it quickly. So YouTube is acting up. Interesting. Okay, so let me. Okay, so New Zealand dollar here. It's in a downtrend. Okay, it's in a downtrend. There is a support. Current low here. So guys, give me a second. So it looks like the breakout for gold. Oops. Looks like that breakout was a false breakout because the way the price is getting rejected is insane. There's no hope. Yeah. Alright, so the New Zealand dollar on the daily time frame currently is this low here. Okay. This is our current support. This is where we could look for a potential buy. If the current daily candle here closes bullish at this low 58.37, if we close bullish, that could be an area to enter buy. Okay. This is going to form a double bottom. If we get that uh, daily bullish candlestick, this is going to form a double bottom, so you can enter buy there. Okay, and then currently there's resistance at 59 cents 24, which is an area to look for a sell. If the price gets rejected here, you can look for a sell at that area, right? So 59 20 22. We come here and we get rejected, best area for a sell. If we break below this current low, which is 58.37, the next support for the market here, this is a daily time frame that I'm analyzing right now. Okay. So we have support here, and welcome to those who are joining. If you're just joining the live, welcome. Great to have you here. Currently, I am analyzing the New Zealand dollar versus the US. Okay, and this is what I do whenever I come on my live. I analyze the Forex and cryptocurrency market, and yeah, this is a great place to learn if you're a beginner, to learn how to analyze and everything. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, join my Telegram group so you can get more information for free and all that. Link is in the bio. So the next area where the market is gonna head to, okay, let me just mark this here. So we have this support between 58 cents 70 and 57 cents 72, and this is where the market is at right now. As you can see, we actually broke the low in. So based on what I'm seeing, there's a high chance price is heading down to 57. Okay, so there's a high chance we're heading down to 57 cents there. Okay, once we break below this load here on the daily time frame. So that's what. So if you want to look for buy, the best area for buy will be around 57 cents. Okay, if the price is there. Now let's go on the 1 hour. Let's see. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame, and we can see on this, on this 1 hour time frame, the price is currently breaking below the support. Okay, this is the current support on the daily, 58 cent 38, and the price is currently breaking. So gold is it's actually, it got rejected on the it got rejected on the 10 minutes. So I'm going to place a sell on gold. Let me place sell. So I'm going to enter a sell on gold. And I'll be placing this sell on abato.com. Okay, so sell, and then targeting for take profit, it's going to be at 26.83. Okay, and then the stop loss is at 26.91. Okay, so sell gold, and then target number 1, 26.83, and then number 2, this is happening so quick, so I'm gonna just quickly log into, I'm gonna share my screen here. Oh, okay. Okay, so Sanjada, okay, it's not giving, it's not giving at all. So just give me a second, guys. Let me open up gold chart. Okay, so let's open it up right here. Is it? Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, so I took this sell on the trading platform FXCC because the battle platform for some reason it's not allowing me. Um, there's some the screen just keeps loading, so it's very slow. So I can't use it right now. I was gonna log in so I can place the trade on there, but since it's not, I'm gonna just place the trade on my other account, which is on the MetaTrader. MetaTrader. Okay. So I took that sell. Hopefully it goes well. If it doesn't, then oh well. I'll look for the next trade. Okay. I'm still gonna look to buy at 26.82, 26.81. That will be the next area to look for a buy. Okay. And then in terms of selling, let's say for whatever reason the price breaks this resistance, then the next best area I'll look for a sell will be at 26.04. Okay. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna end this live now. 30 10 p.m. over here, and usually this is the time that I end the live. I'm gonna end it here for today, and I'll come back again live on Monday at 10 p.m. Eastern time. So I come live Monday to Friday. Okay, Monday to Friday from 10 p.m. Eastern time until 12 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. Join my Telegram group for free so you can get more trade signals and more information for free. The link to the Telegram group is in my bio. And my next trading class is starting in January 2025. You can sign up for that trading class by going to my bio. You'll see a link there that says trading class. Click on it and then sign up. Okay, once you sign up, I will give you access. I will I'll give you access to the morning live trading session. Okay, so I do come live in the morning as well during the New York session, but this is only available to students. If you want to be participating in that live, you need to sign up to become a student. Okay, so fill the form, register, and then get started on your journey to learn how to trade the Forex market. Thank you everybody who joined today's live. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Unfortunately, for this live, wasn't able to take any trade. Okay, this happens sometime, when the market is, sometimes you have to be waiting in trading. There's a lot of waiting, so unfortunately the areas where I was looking for a trade, I just entered a sell now, but I can't really tell you the result because it's going to take a while for the price to actually hit the TP or the stop loss, so I can't show you the result. So yeah, hopefully the next live we'll be able to find more trading opportunities and all that. Okay, and just let me just do a quick recap for gold. I'll just do gold. I analyzed so many different pairs, but because of time, I'll just do a recap on gold. Okay, so for gold, you guys need to know that the price is currently extremely bullish. The price, the main target where gold is heading to, okay, is 2710. This is where gold is heading to. It's going to get there eventually because that's the next major resistance on the daily time frame. It has been able to break above all the resistances on that was on the daily time frame. So right now the only major resistance is around 2710, and this is where it's going to eventually get to. And the price is currently in this uptrend. Okay, and if you're looking to buy gold, okay, well right now price is currently, it looks like it's forming support around 2680, 2682. This is now currently our area to look for buy, okay, for gold. And then just set your stop loss below 2679. Okay, so this is the current area price is building as support, and yeah, this is where you want to look for a buy. Now if that one for whatever reason the price doesn't hold it, okay, right now it's not there yet, but if it breaks below 2680, then the next area where you want to look for buy is at 2673. Okay, 2673, 2670 would be the next best area to buy, and then set your stop loss below this low here at 2658. Okay, so if the 2680 support doesn't hold, then the next area you want to buy is at 2673, 2670. All right, and then if you're trying to sell gold and everything, the next best area to sell is around 2710, 2704 for now. Okay, for now, any sales that you take, this note it's temporary. Okay, don't sell and then in for like huge crash and all that, because that's not gonna happen as long as the price, um as long as for now, as long as the price, we have major support at 26.60. So as long as the price holds that, it's not gonna do any major sell off. Okay, but if we break below 26.60, then yes, we will do a major sell off. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Have an amazing weekend. We'll be live again next week at 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Have a good night or good day. So thank you for all the likes. Thank you for the gifts. I really appreciate it. Thank you for everybody who followed. To those who followed me, please make sure you join my Telegram group as well. Link is in the bio. Do you speak French? Yes, I do speak French as well. Alright guys, take care. Bye for now. And those watching on YouTube, thank you so much for the likes. Thank you for viewing. Please make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribed. I'll see you guys next week at 10 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday. Okay, so Monday, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Have an amazing day, amazing weekend. Take care.